The final match in two of this Burda Tigers and Zalmi Burda would have been there. From Fayaz is a big wicket of this. Michael Kilarakon is the funner. Tonight is the final match. It's a Super League HPL PSL. Multan Sultan versus the Karachi Kings. The winner goes in the circle ground and the best in the world. So on the crowd is the best and two umpires. Wazir is the Lakshman Prasad. That's a good one. The final it's a big. It's the head coach of this Lal Khan. And to the win gets a really nice. And batting coach of this Siraj Ali. In his turn will the goes. And missing up this Mr. Abdul Karim. That's the fielding coach of this young of the Burdas. So when it goes to on this to Burdas is Dubai. And now from a best in the fielding coach of this Abdul Karim. Will this 2 runs of this complete. And 4 overs and 54 runs.